Good morning. Happy Thursday to you. You're up bright and early.
Well, I'm working, so it's not a big deal.
I'm in heated gear, top to bottom, in case you didn't notice, because I'm not really this
in
fat.
leggings.
I am fat, but I'm not this fat.
Oh, you're not fat.
We are taking a few days off. We're going down south to Myrtle Beach,
Let's
South
be
Carolina.
honest, it's Mikey's birthday.
Tomorrow, not today.
He'll be old as me.
I'll be 52. I'll be the
I am
same age as
older.
her for a month.
That's okay.
So, but we are going to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I'm taking the bike. She's taking the car. That way we can go out and have a nice dinner and stuff at nighttime and not have to take the bike all the time.
Because I'm not riding all bundled up anymore.
But the nice thing is it's going to be cold getting out of here, 39 degrees when I pull out here in a few minutes. When I get there, it's going to be about 60. And as the days progress, we're getting closer to 80 before we
It's
leave.
going to be all about 85 with the butt warmers on, all nice and toasty in my car.
Heated gear, my butt warmer's on too. So belly warmer, back warmer, leg warmer. I got the whole warmer going on. So, but anyway, we're going to highlight this weekend with one video when it's all over. We got some plans. She's been mapping out some directions. Maybe check out a bunch of Harley shops and Harley dealers and check in some miles and make sure you check in on the Harley Ride app. You get points. And I'm telling you, I pay for a service every year at least by going to just dealers and doing stuff.
This is true.
So-
Now he's got me on the app trying to earn points for him just the same.
That's right. So she can buy me something for my birthday tomorrow, right?
A hard
All right.
time is what he's going to get.
We'll see you in a bit. morning.
Morning. We done eat.
We've done eating, and
Happy
we are.
birthday to you.
Gee, thanks. I don't feel like my birthday.
He's 52, by the way.
Great. So we are down.
Almost a discounts for senior citizens, dear.
So we're down here in Myrtle Beach, and we didn't plan the trip around this event that we're about to showcase here. It's the 37th annual Run for the Sun car show. So we didn't know about it until after we booked it, and no car here is newer than 1989. That's pretty killer. So we're gonna spend the next.
I think somebody said there was about 3,000 of them here. So far, I'm looking at some little hot rod and a vet.
So there is a bunch of almost said a customer. Sorry, there's a bunch of cool cars here. So let's check them out. My dad would love this right here. 62 Corvette.
20-inch mags.
Beautiful.
I feel like James Bond should be driving something like this. Look at the carpet on the inside. You can't reach in there. I wonder if
This is like the Monster Mobile.
I love these. I think these are. I don't know why. I guess it's because you don't really see them except maybe on the diagram.
It's pretty cool.
What's for sale? $7,900.
Where? Oh yeah. 67.
That's a Camaro.
Camaro, yep.
What's the year you want? Daddy
Guys, if I ever got rid of my Harley, it would be for a 67 to 69 year era SS Camaro.
But let's be honest, you're going to get rid of it and just go buy another one. So it's not like he's ever going to get rid of it.
So then she's saying basically get the Camaro and then buy the CVO. Got it.
No. That's a
Beautiful truck.
Isn't it though?
1959.
Did you hear me?
Huh?
Here's a pace car.
Oh yeah. Oh Lord, look at the old Pontiac Fiero.
Look at the pace car. They don't make it. They don't make Pontiacs at all. Indy pace car in '84.
Wow. 1984. I didn't realize the Fiero was a pace car at one time. I knew people that drove them things. Yeah, I remember those.
Yes, I like these. Don't even ask me why. One bad rooster. 1939.
Wow.
It's got a 350 turbo in it. It's okay to look, but don't touch. Look
at that.
Could you imagine trying to travel on something like this? Hey, what's the gas mileage on this truck? 55K. Max trade. We are not buying it.
May trade. Okay. Are you interested in Harley Davidsons? Wow. You gotta see it from behind to truly take it in. Kind of like looking at you. You gotta take it in from behind.
I hope that's not on video. I don't like.
'57 Chevy truck, absolutely beautiful color. I need to custom paint my motorcycle this color. All right, I may have just found a paint color if I decide to paint this Road Glide.
Candy Brandy.
Candy Brandy.
You'll see it. Wine.
You'll see it right before this snippet. I got some video of it.
It's crimson. It's gorgeous.
It's not crimson. It's Candy Brandy. It's amazing. So I'll be looking at that. I had been thinking about painting the Road Glide,
We
keeping
can
the
put a
shark
roll
skin.
tide on it.
No, I had thought about. I don't want to hurt the value.
Do you see any blue cars around here? That'd be no.
No, but everybody loves gold. Go Irish. Look at the old Jeep Scrambler. It's for sale, by the way. That's back when Jeeps were actually made as Jeeps and not the new stuff they make these days.
I drive that thing.
Oh, that'd be fun. Got some drink holders so you can put your sweet tea up there. Oh, wow.
And down there's my highest medal I've received, the Legion of Merit.
Wow, that's awesome.
And then if you look really, really close to the eyes, you see cross rifles on this side.
Oh, yeah.
On this side.
Wow, that's great detail.
Put a teardrop there.
Where are you from?
Conway now.
Conway.
We were originally from Pennsylvania.
Okay.
You have a video?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Oh, wow. That's neat. Wow.
Okay.
Look at this thing. It's for sale, by the way. Look at this.
88K.
How much?
88.
88K. You can own this vehicle and have 533 horsepower.
But you get strapped in, like you're locked in on seatbelts. See?
The old shoulder straps.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, boys and girls, I have never seen a souped up bus with big rims and tires. Look at that. You might be in the South if you drive a school bus and you pimp that ride. Look at that Corvette. '59. Beautiful.
Yeah, it reminds me of the bike. See, I'm
Look.
looking at green over here.
Yeah, it's green,
Purple.
purple, and then if you go to a certain shape on the other side, it turns
blue.
kind of bronzish looking. There's blue up here.
I think. That's pretty cool. What year is that? That's
31, I believe.
I think that's my favorite. The Roadster is my favorite car.
That is nice.
I think that's what I like.
See if I can catch the brown over here.
Yeah, I worked in it. And then 79 is 280.
So what does it look like in there?
You can't see? It's a good thing you have a power step. Neat looking paint right there where they made the paint look like wood grain. What did we just find?
Scooby!
The mystery van. Oh, he's in the back seat. What's up, Scoobs?
The mystery van. The next case.
That's pretty cool. Check out this killer color. I spotted it from about a row over. It is
What is it?
beautiful.
A bet?
It's a Stingray Corvette.
Good morning, this is Tim Evans.
It's nice to see other colors.
Yeah, it is.
Like to float 50-50 tickets. What we call a split pot. Whatever amount of tickets we sell, half of it goes to our charity.
65 Factory 5 Cobra.
It's for sale.
68 Factory 5 Cobra. 31 Ford Model A.
I see a lot of these 31s around. That 27 though.
Love the flames. Sorry, I'm an old school flame guy. I know a lot of people hate flames, but it's my style. 30 Ford
This is what
A2 Tour sedan. Wow. Sit back here. Sorry. That's beautiful. Love that paint color.
It's just jokes, everybody.
69 SS Camaro.
That's a 69 Chevy Camaro. That's right down there. What are you doing, Mike?
Well, I'm looking at one of my many potential Camaro dream cars.
And what is this?
This one's going to be
Is this a Dreamsicle?
Well, I love that color. It's not the SS, but they dropped in an aftermarket engine.
So how's your day so
I
far?
believe that's going to be the 69 Camaro.
You're not even
It is
listening. How is your day so
gorgeous.
far?
This is pretty cool.
What's
I
today?
ain't going to lie. It's nothing.
It's your what?
It's nothing.
It's your
just a great
birthday.
Saturday at the beach.
It's your birthday. We can all sing happy birthday. I can get on the
Oh,
loudspeaker.
no. Don't do that.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you. 67 Camaro. Oh, hey Elvis. What's up?
Is that Maryland?
Marilyn Monroe. 367 SS Camaros from Danville, Virginia. Jeff Clayton. Robert Jarrett. Robert, if you ever see this video, I'm in Roanoke. Hit me up. Let me know if you'll sell this thing.
Oh, there's a Nova. Watch out.
Hey, all you fat tire bagger guys, I think y'all missing the boat because these are huge. Let's see if somebody tries to put one on a motorcycle one day.
This makes it a lot easier. Yeah, it is. I just hate doing that.
Hey, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters! So cool. Oh, there's something in that box
Well, we've been here about, what, a couple hours?
Yeah.
There are more cars in this car show than I think I have ever seen.
Wow, you got it.
They are forever. I really wish I had, oh yeah, I wish we had a 360 camera out here. I left it back at the room, and because this camera is not going to do it justice. I did almost ask the guy at the RV place if I could climb on top, but she wouldn't let me. She said I'd get hurt.